Hey guys, it's Cal coming at you with another review from the rig, where I attempt to answer the question that you most want to know. Yeah, but does it smell good? The folks at PAA have been extremely busy this holiday season. They're doing a lot of drops. They sent me this set for review purposes. This is Winter Whiskey Wonderland, and originally appeared in the 2024 Advent calendar and was called Christmas Winter Wonderland. Check out the cool label. Yes, it's very dark, but hopefully it'll pick up on camera. This is the holographic label, of course. Looks like Loch Ness Monster, Nessie, and Cube inside of an ice cube, by the looks of it, in a wintry scene. So very cool, although very dark. So I'll tell you about this scent profile. Scent profile of pear, apple, sugar, whiskey, tonka bean, oak, smoke, spice, and brandy. Not to be confused with scent notes. Scent notes are the actual fragrance oils and hydrosols that go in to make up this scent profile. The scent profile is what you pick up. I was having this discussion with Tobin Fetters last night, and that's what he said. Scent notes create a scent profile. Also, he went on to tell me that in his opinion, when discussing fragrance, it's better to base opinions on the splash. Reason being, there is a higher percentage of those fragrance oils in here than there is in here. There's alcohol in here, so you're going to get dry down that you don't get in here. And also, you have the actual soap ingredients, which are going to mask some of the scent that was intended. That all being said and done, I'll tell you what I get off of each of these, because this is one case where what I get off the tub is very different than what I get off the splash. Haven't used the tub yet, but I have applied the splash to the back of my hand several times in the last few days. So, what I get off this, right off, I get hit with a wonderful Highland Scotch. More specifically, and for obvious reasons, I don't have it in here for comparison's sake, it puts me in mind of a 12-year-old Glenfiddich that has a very similar profile, and I will list it here. Just really, really wonderful Scotch. Now, a lot of people, when they hear Scotch, they might go, ew. But without going too much into the rabbit hole, Scotch is a very, very broad term. Regionally, Scotland is broke up into 5 distinct areas for Scotch production, and they all have a huge variety of scent and flavor profiles that can range from an Islay that's briny and smoky, to a lowland, which is more floral, to Speyside, to Campbellton, which I know absolutely nothing about, to Highland. In that, you're going to have caramels and honeys and fruity flavors and spices. So just a huge range. But if you're familiar with your typical Highland Scotch, any of your Glens, Glenfiddich, Glenmorangie, yeah, that's what this gets me right off. I'm not really picking up as much. I don't get any smoke at all on this. So now let's go into talking about the splash. Again, I've applied it to the back of my hand a few times in the truck. Now I find the dry down takes place very quickly, and what I really get off this is pear, or what I call pear plus. It's not just pear, but there's something else in there. Pick up a hint of apple. For me, on a splash, the whiskey, the tonka, the brandy notes, they might be there, but they're really in the background. And I don't get, it's the same as with the tub, I don't get any smoke at all on this. Now, again, sense of smell is a very individual thing. Again, comparing notes with Tobin Fetters last night, what he gets off the splash is very different than what I get off the splash. Also, if you watch my video from a couple of weeks ago, when I did La Serena. My partner, she got something very different than what I got off La Serena, and that's okay. So it's good for you guys to watch a few different videos, see what different guys are saying, see if there's any overlapping ideas. But yeah, I get really nice pear, a little bit of apple, but I'm not getting hit with that whiskey. Conversely, off the tub, I'm getting that great Highland Scotch, but I'm getting less of those other notes. I don't get any smoke. I don't get the spice. But it's just a wonderful scent. So anyway, I'm going to wrap this one up. I got to get stuff done in the truck here. And I hope you found this helpful. And yeah, you guys take care of yourselves. We'll talk to you real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.